Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In this video, we're talking about a rare 1988 penny worth money. There are many 1988 pennies still out there in circulation, but there aren't too many of them worth a small fortune. I'm going to teach you exactly what to look for. This is a 1988 Lincoln cent. There's nothing unusual about this one except for the condition it's in. This penny was in good enough condition that it was submitted to PCGS for grading and was graded an MS-68 on a scale of 1 to 70. This is a 1988 Lincoln cent DDO variety. The United States Mint defines variety as a minor change from the basic design of a coin. So any changes to a coin result in a new variety. And as I said, this is a double die obverse. We'll talk about double die in a second. Obverse just refers to the front or head side of the coin. According to Heritage Auctions, a double die is a die that has been struck more than one time by a hub in a misaligned position. This results in the doubling of design elements. If shifting occurs in the alignment between the hub and the die will have some of its features doubled. This doubling is then imparted to every coin it strikes. The coins struck from such dies are called double die errors. So during the process of a die being made, like this one here, the hub and the die became misaligned sometime during the process, and that resulted in the doubling of Abraham Lincoln's ear. Let's take a look at it. You might need a magnifier to see this. Take a look at the lower part of Lincoln's ear at the lobe. Let me zoom this in for you. Here's what the double die ear looks like compared to a normal 1988 penny. You can see where the earlobe ends and where the doubled lobe begins right here. So how much is a 1988 penny double die worth? It depends on regular factors like grade and population. As of now, there have only been 3 of these pennies known to exist. But don't be discouraged, because I think there has to be a whole lot more of these out there in circulation that just haven't been discovered yet. In fact, the most expensive penny of this variety was just discovered last year. According to PCGS records, they've graded 2 of the 3 coins known to exist. One of them graded MS-63 red, and the one that was found last year was by one of our fellow coin roll hunters from Alabama. Congratulations, Billy. Billy worked with Daniel from the Coin Help You channel. Sorry, I'm an amateur rapper and I just couldn't help myself. Billy worked with Daniel from the Coin Help You channel. When Billy discovered this double die while coin roll hunting, he reached out to Daniel. If you're not familiar with the channel, take a look at it. Daniel has some really good, informative videos that he puts out. And he owns a coin shop as well, so check out his deals on his website. When Billy sent this penny to PCGS to get graded, it came back graded top pop, which means that it was the highest grade found for that particular variety. They put the penny up for auction at Heritage Auctions, and when all was said and done, the penny sold for $3,120. How many times in our lives have we had a rare coin worth money in our pocket change, but we just didn't know it because we didn't know what to look for? Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your change.